Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
So pretty. Hey y'all, so we found this hotel right in front of the water in Piraeus, Greece. So our ship, the Norwegian Viva, docked out of Piraeus, and so we needed to, although we flew into Athens, we needed a hotel to stay at until we were headed to our cruise, and we found this one. These elevators were so tiny, as you can see, with our belongings, only one of us could go at a time. Okay, y'all, so here is our room. We just walked in. I'm gonna show you right when you step to the right, you gotta put your card in there and turn the lights on. So you get the bathroom here. So it has a nice small glass bowl sink. The shower. We are right on the water, so this is kind of like a boutique hotel. Toilet. They have a fridge here and a closet. I think this up here is another closet. An additional closet up top. And then my boo's sitting here. Got a nice mirror there, TV. Luggage rack, a bed. They have, if you need coffee or something there. And this to me is the best part, the view, which I will show you all. And if you come, make sure you bring the right type of charger. Got that there. And I didn't look out this window yet. Let's see what it is here. Oh, it's just an extension of the window. Pretty. Okay. Nice. Okay, so one thing that we found that we don't like is this door doesn't lock, which makes us nervous because there's opening on this side, there's opening on that side, and anyone can just come in. We do not like that. Look, door opens. We thought this locked it, but doesn't. So keep that in mind. This view is beautiful, right? Y'all be sure to like this video, comment down below, let us know if you stayed at this hotel, if you would stay at this hotel, if you're interested in staying at this hotel. If you have, let us know what you thought about it. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Here we are outside. This is our room. I wonder what that little red button up there means. Should we take the steps down? So they do have the options for steps or elevator. Okay.
You gotta pay attention. It's hard to read.
Oh, yeah, fancy.
Yeah.
There's no handle rail, but that's okay. I said there's no handle rail.
Yeah. It's an extra step right here.
Thank you. Thank you kindly. I'm out.
Okay. It's down one more.
Oh, okay.
I thought the same thing.
Oh.
I was like, oh, it was on my first one.
Hello. Community bathrooms downstairs. I'm gonna follow you. Oh, a bar, breakfast area, sitting room, and oh, thank you. Oops. This is a pretty steep step down. And this is what the outside looks like. This is what the outside of the restaurant looks like. It has a beautiful view of the water. This is a residential area, so people live here. Look at this view right outside the hotel. Very pretty. If you walk along the, I don't know what this is called, the shore or whatever, you can see some of the cruise ships leaving, which is pretty cool. That'll be us tomorrow. Yeah. We thought this was pretty cool. When you turn the lights out in our hotel room, they had these little fake galaxy or stars on the ceiling, which I thought was pretty cool. You can see it here. Let us know if that's in your hotel room too, or was it unique to this one. Like, comment, subscribe.
It's been sweet. Check us out next week when we out here in these streets. Peace.